Section 3, Greek Mythology and Literature. Last learning target, and we get to take a look at Greek literature and how it lives on and influences our world even today. So, the works of ancient Greek writers such as Homer, Sappho, and Aesop are still alive and popular today. In fact, Greek literature has influenced modern language, literature, and even art. Did you know that some of the words that you use and some of the stories you hear actually come from ancient Greece? Let's take a look. For language, probably the most obvious way we see the influence of Greeks is in our actual language. Many English words and expressions come from Greek mythology. For example, we call a journey an Odyssey, after Odysseus, the wandering hero of Homer's poem. Something very large and powerful is called Titanic. This word comes from the Titans, which is a group of large and powerful gods in Greek myth. Many places around the world today are also named after figures from Greek myths. For example, Athens is named for Athena, the goddess of wisdom. Africa's Atlas Mountains were named after a giant from Greek mythology who held up the sky. And the name of the Aegean Sea comes from Aegeus, a legendary Greek king. Europe itself was named after a figure from Greek myth, the Princess of Europa. Even places in space bear names from mythology. For example, Jupiter's moon, Io, was named after a goddess's daughter. Literature and the arts. Greek myths have inspired artists for centuries. Great painters and sculptors have used gods and heroes as the subjects of their works. Writers have told and retold ancient stories, sometimes set in modern days. Movie makers have also borrowed stories from ancient myths. Hercules, for example, has been the subject of dozens of films. These films range from early classics to a Walt Disney cartoon. Mythological references are also common in today's popular culture. Many sports teams have adopted the names of powerful figures from myths, like the Titans or the Trojans. Businesses frequently use images or symbols from mythology in their advertising. Although people no longer believe in the Greek gods, mythological ideas can still be seen all around us.